guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a haul and I got some bows from Peonies Paperie and I have my address on the other side of this, so I don't want to open it up properly. I haven't opened. The only thing I did was take off, like cut the thing. Oh, there's, okay, hang on. Okay. So this is what comes in your box. That would have been probably really pretty presentation in the box. I'm sorry I messed it up. So here is her business card and a little clip, which I think these clips are like the cutest. They're like little fat but thin clips. Like, how cute are these clips? I think I ordered some. I'm like 80% sure I ordered some. So it comes with her card. So Peonies Paperie. And then this is a thank you for your first order. That's a very nice handwritten card. And then there is a coupon for me. And then it comes in, this is like the cutest presentation. Okay, I did order some, but I have cats. But yeah, you saw the presentation. That is so cute. Bravo on presentation. All right, so I semi-regret part of my order because I forgot a bow and I'm super disappointed, but it's okay. We are here. Oh, these are actually really soft. I've said many different times that I am tactile, and like, this is like really soft, like faux leather. It may actually be real leather, I don't know. So everything comes on one of these cards. So her branding is really good. I feel like that's dark. There we go. Her branding is really nice. I really like it. It looks very well made. Like, I got gold hardware, I think, on all of them. So you can see it's definitely well made. And so you're sitting there clipping every single one of these on here. Man, that stinks. Not gonna lie. I guess maybe because I have nails. Let me see. Yeah, I don't think I'd be able to do this. And I'm gonna be honest here. Maybe she doesn't have nails. Yeah. You go, girl. Cause ain't nobody got time to do that. So yeah. Here is this one. So I did the pink with the white stitching because okay, I have this bad boy, and that is almost a perfect match. This is more of like a dusty rose color than my ballerina, but there's obviously a reason. I'll zoom out a little bit. That actually looks tan next to my ballerina, but look how stinking cute that is. This is the one I made. It's just like a little double bow, and then I put like a little charm here. So like, not even comparable, but like that's like my own. So this is so cute. This is gonna look really cute on my new one. What? Did I just say that out loud? Oh yeah. So yeah, this pink one is so cute. And then I got a white and a black one. So white, this is the one that I wish I had gotten. I'm telling you, there's no way I would be able to do that. It's white with the black stitching. I wish, in addition to this one, like, I'm not mad I got this one, I wish I got the all white one. So maybe with that coupon. I like these bows so much. I may trim this one a little bit because it's not quite even, and that like would bother me, but that's like my own issues, like not from the store. Like, that's my own issue, but like that one's really close to what it is, but like that one, again, my own issues, nothing to do with the shop. And then I got an all black one. There we go. All black. No, I didn't get an all black one. It's black with white stitching. So I got like your basics. I really want, like, Christmas time, I think it would be so cute to do a Christmas planner and have like a red one. So yeah, these are the bows I got. I believe the processing time was a month, but mine shipped out within 3 weeks. So I got mine in, I would say, a little bit less than a month. So processing time is a little bit longer, but it's totally worth it in my opinion. Just go in knowing that the processing time is going to be longer, and I didn't know it was going to be longer, but because I didn't look, because I'm not the person who reads like how long processing, because everything's handmade, so I just expect it to take a little bit longer. And the quality is just so nice. Like, these are so cute. I really like this black one actually a lot. I may put this one on my planner. This one I think is calling my name. Oh yeah, and I got these, which I thought were these, but I knew they were big, but for some reason, like, I thought, oh, these are them. No, these are the bigger ones. I love how everything is just packaged. Like, it's just so nice. That's a lot of care into packaging. So these are the same, but one is just a baby one, which is still bigger than a smaller like paper clip. And then you have these. I am like really impressed. So this is my little order, but I'm so impressed because these are just so cute and so well made. And like her branding, I just applaud her for her branding. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you check out her shop. It is worth the wait, I promise. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.